So here's my iPad. I'm just going to play it on here. You see this play button here? Just push that, present on this device, and when you want to award your student, just touch the screen and the princesses will come on. And that's it. Hello there, fellow teachers. I'm here today with another video. I just want to show you how to create a digital reward for your classes. It's going to be on Google Slides, and I just want to show you how to create one of these to use. In the upcoming weeks, I'm going to be posting more videos on various topics related to Vipkid. So please subscribe just to keep updated on all this information, and I really hope that it helps you in your class. So you just need to pull up Google Slides here, start a new presentation, blank, so we'll just start from scratch, and then we'll show you the kind of like the finished product afterwards. So I'll just close this at the side so we can see the full screen. I'm gonna start by adding a background. So all I do is I go to Google. I'm gonna search for a princess PNG background. I will go to images and look through anything that looks, you know, princessy. Something that little kids would like. This one actually looks pretty nice, so let's try it out. What I do here is I will right click, I will copy image address, and then let's go back to the Google Slides. If you go up to your menu bar here, insert, select image, and then by URL, another window will pop up, and in this window you can just paste the URL that you just copied, and it will show up, and you just click insert. Ta-da! That's pretty nice, eh? So I will just kind of cover this up for the whole screen, just drag the bars at the edge. There we go. Okay, so here's our background. I think it's pretty nice. There's castles here and everything. So let's start adding princesses. So I'm just gonna choose 5 princesses, popular princesses that a lot of little kids like, and then I'll add them in here. And as I add each one, I will also add a star in the portal for them. So let's go back to our Google here, and let's say, obviously Frozen is a big thing, so let's find Elsa. Make sure that the images that you're selecting are PNG. I also like to choose transparent, just to make sure that I'm grabbing the right one. Just gonna click on a couple here. Which one looks nice? I think this one's pretty nice. I'll also use the ones with a black background. Sometimes I'll choose one that is not, and it doesn't really show up properly. It'll show up with the big white background here, and I don't want that. I just kind of want the figure, right? So I'll choose this one. Just right click, copy image, go back to your presentation, and right click and paste it in. It in. Control V for all you Mac users. I was just used to the window, so here it is. You can resize it. It seems awfully big, because I need 5 of them, so I'll just resize her to something smaller. I'll position her maybe right here. Now we want an animation on here. So what you do is you go to your insert, all the way down here to animation. So insert, go down to animation, and then you'll see a new menu bar here show up. I usually leave all these things up here. You can customize them, but what I want to do is I just want them to kind of fly in onto the background when I click. So let's just choose fly in from the top. And let's just quickly play it so you can see what's supposed to happen. So click. And she flies in. And there's a reward. So let's do it again. For another princess, we'll just fill in with the 5 princesses and then we can see how it looks as a final product. How about Cinderella? Cinderella. PNG. I'll just put transparent. So let's just click around here and see what we have. This one is okay. It's got the black background. I will copy image, go back to my presentation, and do my Control V. And here's Cinderella. I'll resize her again. Let's put her in the corner here. And I will again go to Insert, Animation. And this time let's have her fly in from the bottom. Okay, let's just quickly play that. Click it, also comes up. Click once more, flies in from the bottom. Perfect. Okay, let's go back. Another one. Let's put Jasmine. Jasmine. Very nice. Choose a couple. This one's good. Copy image. Go back to your presentation. Just click on there, Control V. There she is. Oops. Resize her because it's too big. Okay, let's go to our insert again. Animation. Let's have her appear. And I will just leave it as is and add another one. Let's see, how about Anna? Pretty popular. Let's see. Pretty good. Copy image. Go back to your slide. Control V. That's huge, so let's just drag this and make it smaller. And put her here. I want to insert animation. Let's have her fly in from right. Okay, and one more. Let's do Rapunzel. So just type in Rapunzel. Wow, it's awesome. Her hair. That's pretty good. Say copy image, not save. Go back. Control V, and there she is. Perfect. She'll be in there. I will insert animation, and she can. Let's just make her fly in from top. Okay, and we are done. So let me just quickly play this, and you can see what it looks like. So I'll click once. So, Bob, you did a great job. And then you just click and you get a princess. Click once more, you get another one. Click third time. You just keep clicking, and they just kind of fly onto the screen. I think that's pretty okay. So as I finish clicking for each princess, I will add a star in their portal, and at the very end of the class, they will get their 5 stars. So I really hope that this helped. It really helped me learning how to do this, and I think it'd be really useful in the classroom if you don't want to use actual physical rewards. Digital rewards save a lot of space, and they're really happy about it, and you can make as many as you want and use whatever theme you want. So hopefully this helps you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would very much appreciate it, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching today. Bye.